I'm Pippa. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple yet effective exercise that helps wake up this part of your thigh, which really helps with knee tracking stability and awareness of what's going on in that area. You can do it on its own as a rehab exercise or as a prep before you go do some strength training, some cardio, or even a fun activity where you just need to be strong and know what's happening down there. So we're going to take a ball about this size. You can have bigger, you can have smaller, you can even just roll up a towel. You're going to put it underneath your thigh, higher up than your knee crease. Reach your hands back behind you and just take a moment to connect with your core. Keep your shoulders nice and wide. You don't want to be slumping down like this. When you're ready, exhale and think of gliding your kneecap up towards your hip, really focusing on waking up the area inside and up of that kneecap, and then crease and bend to calm down. Now, when you're extending that leg, you want to keep the ball in that same shape. You don't want to press down to lift your leg up, and then you're going to crease to bring it on down. Good, and lengthen out and away, and then crease to bring it on down. And just two more. If you're feeling a lot of work up here, that's not terrible, but just see if you can bring the focus down here. And then we're going to reach and hold. And if you need to take a break, that's okay, but otherwise you're going to flex and point your foot a few times. Really trying to feel the length through your heel, the hug up of your kneecap, the activation of your core. And let's do one more. And then crease to bring it on down. Give that leg a little bit of a shake, and we'll do the other side. So I'm taking the ball and putting it underneath my thigh, higher up than my knee crease. Hands go back behind me, nice long line through my spine. When I'm ready, I'm going to extend that leg, trying to focus on that specific area of my quad, and then I'm going to crease to bring it on down. You can also think of your kneecap gliding up towards your hip, and then down towards your foot. You definitely don't want to press down to extend. And lengthen out and away, and glide it on down. Make sure you're holding your breath. Let's do one more. And we'll stay, and we're going to flex and point our foot a few times. Keep hugging that kneecap up. One more. And crease to bring it on down. And give those legs a little bit of a shake, and you're done.
Was this video helpful? If so, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you want more information about my company and how you can work with me in person, please go to my website, check out my blog, and sign up for my monthly newsletter. Thanks for watching.